Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Tempura Soba, buckwheat noodle soup topped with shrimp tempura. Soba noodles are popular anytime, but if you eat soba on New Year's Eve, it's called Toshikoshi Soba, and it's said to bring you good luck in the next year. These are the ingredients. Dried soba noodles can be found at many local supermarkets these days, or you can also buy them online. We use shrimp for tempura, but you can use any ingredients you like, such as vegetable and fish. We also have an easy-to-make dashi recipe and video. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we are going to make broth. Heat dashi broth and add salt, soy sauce, mirin, and sake. And keep it warm. Cut green onions thinly and set aside. Remove shells from shrimp, leaving the tails on, and make small cuts on the inner side. This will help keep the shrimp shape straight when cooked. Next, we make tempura batter. In a bowl, mix cake flour, baking powder, and salt. Add ice water and stir with chopsticks a few times. Do not overmix. Then dip shrimp in the batter and deep fry at high temperature at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the shrimp is cooked through and lightly browned. Boil water and cook dried soba noodles according to the package. Strain and put the cooked noodles to the hot broth and let it simmer for about a minute. Serve in a bowl, soba noodles, soup, and then place shrimp tempura on top. Add chopped green onions. You can also add shichimi hot pepper if you like. A bowl of noodles in savory broth with tempura is very comforting. Hope you will give this a try on New Year's Eve or any cold winter day.
美味しい。美味しいね。